So sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but that's just the way things are. The IRS wants their money. The government wants their money, and they're going to get it somehow, right? Hey there, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And yes, you're seeing this right. I am sitting in the middle of a creek bed making a video for you. But you know what? I'm doing it because I love what I do and I love doing it outside. And I wanted to talk about an inherited IRA purchasing an annuity contract. Now, this is not very common with a lot of advisors. In fact, I talk with some advisors that have been doing this for 20 years and they've never done any of these contracts. Well, good news. I take care of these contracts, and if you have inherited funds and you're not a spouse, then you can use those funds and purchase an annuity contract, okay? There are only certain companies, though, that will actually allow you to do it, okay? So just keep that in mind. It is limited. Things have changed since Congress passed the Secure 2.0 Act, and after they made some further changes, it has further limited on what people can do with inherited funds. So sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but that's just the way things are. The IRS wants their money. The government wants their money, and they're going to get it somehow, right? But I did place two people into annuity contracts with inherited funds. In fact, their parents had passed away. And so what we did is we looked at the best companies that would actually accept an inherited IRA and also be able to set it up in a MYGA contract, a multi-year guaranteed annuity contract. Sorry, you can't do these with income annuities because they want their money within 10 years, right? So you got to put it in shorter term contracts. And so that's what we're doing. So we're putting these into a couple of small contracts. One of them is actually in a 10-year contract where they're getting like 5.5%. So that's really, really good. And then they're going to take out RMDs because they're required to do that with an inherited IRA. So that just allows them to park their money somewhere, earn some money with it, and really take advantage of the inheritance that has already been left to them, okay? So it's kind of nice. I think their parents would be proud because they're actually able to earn and be able to enlarge their inheritance that way, okay? So that's one thing you can do. If you're thinking about annuities and you're wondering if you can use an inherited IRA, well, the answer is yes. And so if you want to talk with an expert that specializes in that, then book a call. There is a link below this video, goes directly to my calendar, and we'll talk about your inherited funds and we'll see if you are eligible. Really, most people who are not, if you're not a spouse of the person who passed away, you're ineligible. That's what they call you. But it doesn't mean that you can't buy an annuity. That's just the status that the IRS gives you, okay? So keep that in mind, but definitely book a call and we'll talk about whatever your annuity questions are, okay? So again, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, like, subscribe, share, make a comment below. I'll absolutely answer it. And of course, if you are thinking about purchasing an annuity, I hope you will book a call with me. And if you do, I'll give you unbiased advice, okay? I won't try to sell you anything. I will show you everything that's available to you. And then of course you can make the decision at that point whether or not that's something you want to move forward with. So anyways, hope this helps. I really appreciate you watching, and hopefully you enjoyed some of this backdrop here. This is actually behind Markleyville, California, way up into the mountains. And we're in a small little creek here, and it's nice and cool today, and the sun's shining in my face. So it makes it hard for me to see the camera, but it's beautiful. So I love being out here, and I love being able to get out of the studio every now and then and talk about some of these annuity stories and these contracts that I'm placing people in, because hopefully that will resonate with you and what you are trying to decide with your inherited funds. So, and if it's not inherited funds, you're just looking for an annuity, reach out, okay? I'd love to help you. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.